best kept secret.
What is up, everybody? Trainer Nick here with HIIT School for our day 7 coming up. We're going to use some props that you'll find around your house. We're going to use an elevated prop, and then we're going to use a glider prop. So I'm going to go over those two real quick. The elevated one is super simple. Think of a chair around your house, a simple folding chair that you may have, a kitchen chair, a couch works, some type of stool, anything that we're able to be elevated. The height you want is at least a foot off the ground, probably closer to 18, 24 inches. Even higher than that is okay. We're going to be doing some step-ups, elevated exercises. So you need to find a couple of those. Make sure it's nice and sturdy and stable. Don't let it fall and break on you or anything like that. The other thing that we're going to be using are gliders. There's various things that we can use for the gliders and how that stuff is going to work. Okay, so first you need to ask yourself, what exactly are you working on top of? Is it a hardwood floor? Is it carpet? Is it outdoors on some concrete? What exactly is the surface that you're going to be gliding on? Then from there we go for the different types of things that you can find around the house. If you're on carpet, some simple paper bags, some paper plates even work. Some plastic bottles, if you crunch them up, press them down nice and tight, those work as well. And then what you'll be doing is various exercises where we're going to place these on your feet, on your hands and stuff like that. And then we'll be doing exercises with gliders, okay? So carpet, a lot of things work. Furniture, kind of prevention mover type things. Underneath your couch and stuff like that, those work as well. Outdoors, concrete, plastic bottles work really well. Cardboard works decent. Hardwood floors, anything works. Tile, anything works. Socks are an easy one. Paper plates, paper bags, even wrap your feet in plastic bags, all that stuff can work. So 2 props that you need for day 7, some type of elevated surface. A chair works perfect. That's what we kind of recommend. You could use your couch. Just make sure whatever you're using is nice and sturdy. And then some type of glider. We need 2 of them. Simple paper plates, easiest route to go. Let's get after it. Day 7, HIIT School.